This video is about to setting for this MK2200 for the protection G1. So first of all, you can press enter. One is measurement, you can go down until you can number 4, protection G1. So press enter. So first one is phase overcurrent. So you press enter again. This is low set. Yes, then you press down. So at here the setting now is 0.58, which means it's 58%. So if you wish to change the setting, you can press enter. Password by default is 40, so you just press enter, 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 and enter again. So password okay, then you press enter again. Start blinking means you can change the setting. You can press up to 1.00 for example. So 1.00, that means your power overcurrent setting is 100%. So next one, you can press down. The delay type, this is IDMT, and the curve is normal inverse. For the KT, this is the time multiplier, which is 0.1. This is I greater, which is high set. High set now setting is at 5 times, 500%. If you wish to change it, you can change it to 10 times or 7 times, depends on your configuration. Then this is the delay time for the high set, 50 milliseconds. Then the next one, this one is high set. This is a higher set. And I greater is for sampling, which is even though if your CT saturated during a very high fault, so it's still able to detect the fault. And this one now currently is set to 20 times, meaning it's 20,000%. And the delay time is 50 milliseconds. Okay, so after you have set, press escape. And you can go down, look for next one, up fault. Press enter. IO, this is low set, up fault enable, yes. Then the setting is now is 0.05, which is 5%. 5% of up fault. If you wish to set to 10%, you can press enter. Then press enter again. This is 0.10, which means now your up fault setting is 10%. Next one, the delay type is IDMT, and the curve is normal inverse. For time multiplier, this is 0.1, and for high set up fault, this is set to 5 times, and the time delay for high set is 50 milliseconds. So that's all. So you can press escape again, and you can go back to main menu.